Hello everyone, I am back with a new topic rise after every fall. Without falling, there is a chance Einstein would have not found the gravity. Let's see about negative thinking. What is negative thinking? Whatever happening in this world which you don't like is negative. Am I right? Okay guys, let me tell you something. What you think makes you. You might have come across this sentence so many times, but I'm not sure how serious you are about this. These wordings are so powerful. Why do I even want to say this under negative thinking? Because if you think negatively for every step you are taking in your life, all negatives will happen to you back. Think it over. How do we memorize a 5-mark question during school times? Writing it down n number of times so that we will never forget that answer. Our hand, without even intercommunicating with our brain, it will scribble in our exam answer sheet perfectly. Likewise, if we are thinking about something for n number of times, our brainless subconscious will execute whatever we are thinking. And this is how your negative thinking will affect your life. Note it down. The same concept applies if you think positively also. Think positive and stay positive forever. That is what I have mentioned. What you think makes you. Now we can see how to overcome our negative thinkings. Taking negatives as positives. What are you saying? How to take negatives as positive? Are these questions popping in your mind? I will try to wash your brain and answer your questions. Please always keep in your mind that what you think makes you. You can even write down this multiple times so that you will never ever forget in your lifetime. All negatives have positives within. It is up to how we are observing it carefully. For example, let's say you fell riding a bike. What could possibly be the way to consider it as a positive? You have to understand which move exactly made you fall. Understand the move properly. Next time you do the same move, you don't do the same mistake which made you fall previously. Learn from the past. If you are finding it hard, practice more. Practice until you are mastering in it. There is no leaving behind. After mastering, you will gain an asset. Your skill, isn't it positive? Practice makes a man perfect. Practice until you mastering something. Okay, let's see the steps to convert negatives to positives. The first and the most important step is you have to accept it. Accept your defeat, accept your mistake. And the second step is you have to understand the rules. And the third step is find out which rule you broke that made you fall. Fourth step is understand why that rule is important. Understand the concept better. Fifth step is learn the rule and become pro in that. Sixth step is practice it, and then finally you can face it. I call these as life-saving steps. I believe learning something new always saves your life. Whatever your problem is, you can just apply these life-saving steps and convert your problem into learnings, and you can face it. This means you are converting your negatives to positives. Wow! You learned this magic life-saving step. Now you know how to turn your positive, how to turn anything into positive. You can follow it everywhere in your life. If you started feeling low, please start understanding the situation and find a solution to it. It is okay to fall if you are ready to get up. Fall intentionally. Yeah, you heard it right. You have to fall intentionally sometimes in order to learn something new. Always. If you fall and you follow the life-saving steps, then you can take risks. This is one of the ways you can use to understand how the world works. Everyone has to learn new in this world always. I am not talking about your school syllabus. I am not talking about getting marks. I am talking about understanding things, understanding how the world works. No one should learn only to gain marks. Even from the syllabus you can learn a lot. You can learn from anything in this world, from a crying baby to a human turning into ashes, from the Big Bang to the blast of a star. You can learn from everywhere and from everything. Why do we need to rise after each fall? If you are not getting up after your defeat, it means you are taking only the negatives from your defeat, which in turn makes your life worse. As we discussed earlier, what you think makes you. And this is the main reason why you need to rise after each time you fall. We can discuss what makes you stay down after your defeat. Is this society which is not allowing you to get up? What does the society can maximum do? They can talk behind you or in front of you. Whatever it is, they can only talk. You are the one who is doing the action, so don't worry. There is a proverb in Tamil. எப்பொருள் யார் யார்வாய் கேட்பினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு, which means whatever they talk, just get the true meaning out of it, if any. That's a wise action. It's so beautiful, na? You have to gain the positives from the society. There can be useless words from them. Ignore those things. You have to rise to show that you are not defeated permanently. You can rise using those magical life-saving steps. Is your own inferiority complex making you stay down? If you fail, you are an inferior person, and if you succeed, you are a superior person. Is it correct? No, that's completely wrong. I just wanted to make you understand who is an inferior guy and who is a superior guy. Anyone who never stops learning is superior. The one who stops learning is inferior. So don't stop learning at any point in your life. And how is that going to happen? You have to rise after every fall. You have to rise after each and every time you are falling. Follow that life-saving steps to rise after your fall. Whatever it can be which drags you from your success, you can simply put these steps and overcome it. Learn from others falling. Let us be smarter. Everyone knows time is precious. It might take time to learn many things just by your own experiences. So start understanding others' experiences. If they are not making sense, understand it further. Again, practice makes a man perfect. Practice how to gain knowledge from others' experiences and mistakes. This way, you grow faster. Learn from the history. There are so many instances which you can refer and gain what is the mistake they have done and what you shouldn't do. Sometimes making mistakes are expensive. The expense can be even your time. We cannot afford that. During such cases, you must learn from others' mistakes or experiences. Start applying those magical steps in others' mistakes and you can be able to figure out the solution. You will be a successful human. Falling makes you stronger and wiser. As I have already mentioned, falling teaches you life, teaches you everything, which eventually makes you stronger and wiser. There is a solution to every problem in this world. We need to extract the solution somehow. This is the key feature which makes you stronger and wiser. So, enjoy your defeat and make yourself stronger. If you start doing this with happiness and positive vibes, you will get back those same happiness and positive vibes or even more. Thank you for listening this till the end. If you like this, please share it with others. Thanks to Ashna, my friend who suggested this topic. I got many suggestions from my friends. Please do follow me. I will share my thoughts every week with new topics. Once again, thank you.